everyone, welcome to the human digestive system. I'm your guide, and trust me, you're about to see something truly incredible. Let's go check it out.
We're currently inside the esophagus, a muscular tube that uses these amazing wave-like contractions, known as peristalsis, to move things along.
See how the walls move? These friendly churns are essential for digestion, breaking down the yummy nutrients we need. And here we are, entering the small intestine. Isn't the lighting wonderful? Let's keep moving. Isn't this incredible? These are the villi, and they are responsible for absorbing nutrients into the bloodstream. By folding the intestinal lining into these tiny villi, we create a massive amount of surface area, which is essential for absorption. And this is where the magic happens. These tiny glowing particles are the nutrients. And watch as the villi absorb the nutrients, and then they flow directly into the bloodstream to be transported. Let's follow this one.
I know it looks a little strange in here, but this is the amazing large intestine, and it's absolutely vital for our health.
Look at all of you. This is where the magic happens, helping us digest everything we eat.
As you can see, the entire system is alive with energy, a beautiful symphony of glowing connections powering everything we do.
This little guy represents your microbiome. Keeping it balanced is essential for overall health, affecting everything from your mood to your immunity.
Ready for this? The absorption rate is lightning fast. As you can see on the meter, it jumps straight up to 95%. Pretty amazing, right?
Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to follow this little glowing morsel through the amazing journey of the digestive system, starting right here in the mouth.
So that's how we make science fun and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the world around you.